long life to live. I promise you. The last person that ever tried me like this died 30 days later.
Tonight, we are looking at Atlanta police body cam file where a nightclub disturbance suddenly became battery on a law enforcement.
No! Just let that nigga run on the female! No! He just punched me! Everything for no reason! Right? Let him fucking go! Let him fucking go! Let him fucking go! Let him fucking go!
That's a cop!
And that's on me! Get my shit! Where's your purse? Here's your purse! Go get my shit! She's a judge! Go get my shit! She's a judge! Go get my purse!
The judge just punched the cop. The judge just punched the cop.
No, I did not! Go get my purse! Christina, I have your stuff. I got it. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Officer. Back up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She was helping the girl out. She punched the girl out.
I didn't punch shit. No, I didn't. No, I don't punch niggas. Don't touch me. No, I did not. You, are you? No, I didn't. I don't punch me.
Okay.
Are you serious?
What I don't understand is the guy was punching the girl.
You pushed that lady.
He pushed that girl.
Record. That is record, please. Record please. Are you serious?
She was trying to help out the girl.
He was
That girl was getting slugged by a dude.
Record. That is record, please. Please.
I'm just taking to the G.
And he took off my.
All right, Chris.
Put me in first. Christina, you told him to record you. I said.
All right, yes.
Okay. Officer, did you get them your name? No. Christina Peterson. No. Where's my purse? I got everything. Thank you. What happened, officer? Can you tell me what happened, please? She was trying to help another girl.
Okay, if I come there, why are you swinging on me?
She was trying to help another girl that was fighting. A man was beating a girl. Please don't arrest her. Because a guy was beating her.
Wait. That's it.
That's my friend.
Hold up.
Please.
I'm going to take it to the G. There we go. All right. Do me a favor, guys. They got to back up. I apologize. What you mean? I just told you. How you going to walk? I don't know. I walked over there to separate it, and I got punched. That's it. She seen me. She said, get off her. I'm trying to break it up. Right. Oh, punch me. That's it. Outside? Yeah. You got to control yourself. That's it.
That would never happen. Listen, it doesn't matter. He punched that girl.
You want to provide your name?
Reason, Travel 7.
All right, I need your first name and last name so I can book you in.
Me in.
I can't book you in.
Book me in. It doesn't matter. Take me in the hand. Take me in, sir. Unbuckle me and book me in.
Okay. You want to get booked in so you can go home?
Sir, I don't give a... Listen to me, sir. Book me in. Because I'm going to tell you I'm going to win at the end. Book me in. Unbuckle me.
Okay, so if you want to get booked in, I need your name and your date of birth.
You should have known that when you arrested me without cause and provocation. Thank you.
I'll get it.
I respect that. I will get a fingerprint and they can find out who I am.
That's not how it works. That's not how it works. Ma'am, I'm trying to get this process.
Fuck you, nigga.
Okay. I'm trying to get this process.
Fuck you, nigga.
Okay. I'm trying to get this process completed.
You, nigga. I'm praying for you right now. Don't talk to me. Like, I'm really praying for your spirit.
Alright, man.
I just pray for you.
So
take me where you need to take me. I'm not scared of you or jail. Please take me where you need to take me. No, I could give a fuck. Take me where you want to take me. You're not gonna harass me, and I could give a fuck.
Listen.
No, fuck you, nigga. Stop playing with me. You have beat a woman and you beat me to the ground.
Ma'am.
Take me where you want to take me.
I can't take
you.
I don't have any identification on
and
you.
I don't care. You don't need identification. You have locked people up and you have picked up dead bodies when you don't know who bodies it was, but you picked them up. Take me where you need to take me.
I'm trying to.
No, take me where you need to take me immediately, expeditiously.
You have prevented
Take me. I could give a damn. Take me where you want to take me.
So how do you want me to take you somewhere expeditiously?
Now. Take me where you want to take me. You have a long life to live. I promise you. I pray for you.
Ma'am, I need your first name and last name, please.
I pray for you, sir. Listen to me.
So I can book you in so you can go on with your day. So you can go on with your day.
The last person that ever tried me like this died 30 days later. I pray for you. No, because
I'm not giving you a
I asked you to call. You got his number.
What's your name?
Collie.
Give me your name.
Cyrus.
Okay, so give me your name and I'll call Collie.
Cyrus. Collie.
Give me your name. Give me your name and I'll call him.
Call him now.
Give me your name and I'll call him.
He will know with my voice. Call him right now.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Exactly. Don't touch me.
They cuffed you to the car.
For what? I wasn't cuffed. I wasn't when it needed to. Shut the fuck up. You look like a nigga who was trying to eat on me before and I never let him. Relax.
Never.
Shut the fuck up. And stop touching me.
See? Don't.
Yeah, stop touching me. Get the fuck off of me. Stop touching. I got it. I can walk on my own. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I got it. I can walk on my own. Don't touch me. This nigga beat a woman and think I'm about to watch it and be cool with it. You weird ass nigga.
And in the end, the charges filed were misdemeanor battery on police officer and obstruction of justice. Stupid situations can suddenly turn into legal consequences. I'm Breno with In-Service BodyCam, and please subscribe and check our other videos. Be safe.